Alrighty y'all, I'm about to start the Galaxy S10 screen replacement. Not a very long repair. I have the phone on heat right now. That's the first step of the process. Alright, now I'm going to take the phone off the heat, and I'm going to take the back off the phone. Process is to take the screws out of the phone, so I can take the back plate off of here, so I can take the board out and swap it over to the new screen. Step that we're going to do is we're going to take the board out. Get the board out, I'm going to have to unhook some connectors, also unhook the battery connector. Make sure you do that before you unhook anything else, because you could shock the board and you don't want to do that. Next step is to take the battery out with the screen assembly that I was able to get. It came with some of the small parts. Sometimes you can order these screen replacements with the frame with pretty much everything in them. I got one yesterday. I was working on an S10 Plus. It came with a whole new battery. I didn't really need it, but it was really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see how I take the battery out. You can also use extra solution as far as to take the adhesive off of the back, because there's adhesive on that. All right, now we are on to reassembling the phone. Real easy, real simple. Let's do it. Let's go. Now I'm putting it back on the heat, and then after I put it on the heat and I take it off the heat, we're gonna go ahead and put some pressure on there and make sure that we have some weight on there, so we can get the phone, make sure it's all adhesed back. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so that adhesive will harden up, and we are done with the repair. Thank you guys for tuning in.